Cumudul dah keselam. Kan long kemno serai. Kau gangam lut barok sepok kendau.
Lo ayap tu meh. Memtip isu na.
Iding buon ba cakasya na ma. Atray di pentip na ikibriyo siya sir. Kibriyo le mentagi thiet taman yok lom centiam.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
MLA ke West Geelong constituency ba polling do. Hai jingkran jong hiyeng dor bra thawan ke jilla. Halor kimat ke bede bat ketran boarding. Plus dang ke jingkran da ka penchai ek jingli ke bedan ki dang thok khubor ke bakli u bo udan daw ayu yu menteri ketran boarding u ba men baling do bo shukli shikli jingli ya u. Ba pol ong bo umdan daw shimet yano yanuru ba dukli jingli midrang ba kisembut midrang ba bat barok menteri sarkar ba kamde badan daw yano Shushu la pencai badan ki bakli balai bu umshim la kli jingli shaphang gasrat boarding hakapor belong menteri wa Abu Tahir Mandel bar ya kani ru lo juba bahag to kapor udan hakashuki menteri sarkar bar kamlong yu ko menteri sarkar ban kli jingli hapo yeng dorbar ndre shabar ke yeng dorbar ula bu bon ki mat show menteri ulang ma ke yeng dorbar kalongkum ke yeng mani jong gasin shar pat ba bar ki wan jaga dorbar ban pen klan ya kani kaslam Kuwini kimat ke bola penpau, kejing sengok kiah lor ketra boarding, kedi kejing syak tu boarding haber nihat, bat ulakin tu ikan ketenan, baka deban kenya kedi kejing tu boarding, kum kuwini kikam sniu, ni kikam runar, kibashir kaitam.
Chairman, sir, I also rise to participate in the discussion on this particular cut motion moved by the Honourable MLA from Nongkrem, Adan Miller Sarimoi, to discuss the style and functioning of the power department. Sir, but before I embark on my submission, please allow me a couple of minutes to clear all doubts and in fact to clear the air as to why I am participating in this cut motion. I've been asked by friends from the media who thought that I had the minister in charge in mind to personally attack him. Whereas, for the information of this August House, sir, I have posed a number of questions to the Honourable Chief Minister, the PHE Minister. In fact, today I was ready with supplementary questions for the Deputy CM in charge of Urban Affairs, but the main questioner, Adelbert, is absent. I could not raise those issues. And I was also asked by one media person yesterday as to how I did not raise such questions when Mr. Mandal was the Power Minister. I had to explain to him that as colleagues in the cabinet, we were not supposed to ask questions on the floor of this August House, but that I had subjected him to a lot of queries outside this House. So, sir, I strongly believe that we are here to strengthen institutions, and we are here in a temple, a church of democracy, and we are all strict adherents and members of that church of democracy. Institutions, sir, are larger than men. And like Alfred Lord Tennyson's brew, they remind us, for men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. We are not here permanently, sir, as members of this August House or as members of the cabinet, but institutions will have to carry on. The system has to carry forward, which is why, sir, I will now come straight to my submission. My main concern in participating in this cut motion before this House approves this humongous amount of more than 1,000 crores. I'm deeply concerned over the fact that the power department, is suffering from various ailments. There is chronic mismanagement, there's alleged power theft, apparent collusion between certain industrial consumers and officials of the department, especially in the Bernihat industrial belt, which are directly harming the financial and technical health of Meghalaya's power sector and also burdening honest consumers. So the situation at the Bernihat Rajapala GIS substation, the continuing technical dying condition of critical assets, the persistent non-payment of massive industrial power bills, and the glaring absence of transparent enforcement and accountability suggest systemic failure rather than isolated lapses. So let me point out that there are repeated instances of suspected under-metering, bypassing of metering CT/PT circuits, abnormal loss patterns for feeders catering to industries in Bernihat. So it is a massive leakage of revenue that is being caused to the state, a systemic bleeding of the department. There are large sudden drops in recorded demand and energy despite no corresponding fall in industrial production. Sir, the repeated tripping, low reliability, and life-expired equipment being used at the Rajapala GIS station with several protection switching elements operating in a dangerously compromised state. So despite multiple internal notes and recommendations for urgent upgradation, the situation remains in a near collapsed condition, risking grid security and supply to both industries and domestic consumers. Industrial consumers, sir, with long pending high-value areas are being allowed to continue operations and receive uninterrupted supply. There are frequent instances where disconnection notices are issued but not acted upon, or are quietly withdrawn, suggesting undue influence or collusion. There is apparent mismatch between energy built and energy actually drawn by some industries, with no serious penal and criminal proceedings initiated. Very few FIRs or prosecutions or exemplary penalties for industrial power theft have happened, despite clear technical evidence of losses and manipulation. So therefore, before we agree to pass and approve this amount, I would like to get a categorical assurance from the Minister in charge of Power as to the plan of action, if any, that the department has devised in order to come clean on this matter and clear the air for members of this august House. So I have several queries, but I'd like to not prolong my submission. A few relevant points that needs to be pointed out, sir, is that, for instance, why is there no round-the-clock special enforcement cell exclusively for the Bernihat industrial belt, despite its known high-risk profile for theft and manipulation? When was the Rajapala GIS station last comprehensively audited? On what technical basis is a GIS substation repeatedly described as being in a dying condition still being operated without immediate upgradation or replacement, despite severe consequences of a catastrophic failure for the entire region. There is a suspicion of a close nexus between industries and the department. Now, as a concerned member of this August House, I seek to know how many industrial consumers in Bernihat and the surrounding areas currently have areas that have jumped from 10 lakhs to 50 lakhs to a crore. Areas, sir, that are due to the department. And how many of those are drawing power without disconnection as we speak? Why are industries with years of unpaid bill or disputed bill allowed to continue operations? Is there any internal vigilance or a system of check to ensure that this nexus between certain industries and officials responsible for billing, metering, and disconnection takes place? If there is, what are the findings? Why are they not made public? So these are red flags that I'd like to post. Why is there no publicity available on governance, transparency, and accountability? Why is there no monthly dashboard showing feeder-wise losses, industrial areas, enforcement actions for high-risk zones like Bernihat, despite the technology and data being readily available within the department? During question sir, the Honorable Chief Minister spoke about digitization that is happening in Meghalaya. Whether that would also be extended to this particular zone that I mentioned. Will there be an independent third-party technical and financial audit of the Bernihat industrial feeders, Rajabala GIS, and other key GIS and SS assets in the state? What assurance can the Minister give to the citizens of Meghalaya that power theft in Bernihat will be treated as an organized economic crime? Every rupee of industrial areas and theft assessment will be pursued, that no industry will be allowed to operate with impunity due to political or bureaucratic patronage. So, in fine, I would like to submit that there needs to be an emergency technical shutdown come audit of the Rajabala GIS station with a time-bound funded upgradation plan and fixed responsibility for past delays. The need to constitute a special multidisciplinary task force, technical, vigilance, finance, and legal, focused solely on Bernihat to investigate power theft, recover areas, and recommend criminal prosecution, and to publish a complete consumer-wise statement of industrial dues, enforcement actions, and technical audit outcomes for the Bernihat area, so that the people of Meghalaya can finally see who is looting the power sector and who is protecting them. With these few submissions, sir, I expect and look forward to a comprehensive reply from the Minister in charge. Thank you, sir.
Pidan dukan marbam ndey compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki way ni pishat roti shat ki bat ki way na ka benta ka koi ka khya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arachar henril link ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba ba pinyo ek license pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru ki kot kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi Pilaru banyak kendo, yang designated officers lani food safety officers, ke badan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan ha Meghalaya, lat no tang ha is khasihers. Pila benlet bed cak office terekam Jongki ke Commissionerate of Food Safety ke badan Halowa Lachumya. Nakabenta ke kuat kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bar Balakrishnan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.